So the cable itself is less than 4 feet long. I really wish they would have included a 6-foot cable, because sometimes you're going to need a longer run. Sometimes it's better to have a longer cable because sometimes your computer is not right next to the amplifier. Okay, so here's the antenna that gets plugged into the back of the amplifier that's used for Bluetooth connectivity. Finally, we have the amplifier itself. Here it is. So we have one more important thing in here, and that's going to be the remote for the amplifier to control the volume and power it on. This is really important since I am going to be using this system with my home theater TV system. So this remote is important in my case because I'm going to be using this to connect it to my TV home theater system. I need to be able to turn the power on and off for the amplifier as well as control the volume without having to get up from the couch. So here's a closer look at the remote. You have your power, mute, a middle button, up, down, left, and right. I believe this is to switch the inputs, a function, and then A, B, and C. Now in the back is where you put the batteries. So this remote requires 2 AAA batteries. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the amplifier itself. Okay, so right here you have the infrared sensor for the remote, and under here you have the headphone jack, which is a 3.5mm connection. Alright, so now we're going to turn this over to the back side, check out the connectivity on this amplifier. So here we go, starting with the left side you have the auxiliary input, then micro USB connection, then you have a coax connection for your subwoofer. Again, this is a 2.1 channel amplifier system, or it could also function as an optical input with the TOS link to 3.5mm adapter. Next you have a full-size optical TOS link. Finally at the bottom here is where you're going to plug in your power. Now moving over to the right hand side we have the Bluetooth antenna connector. So you're going to go ahead and plug in this antenna here to this connection. So next you have the speaker connection for the left channel, positive and negative. You can use either speaker wire or banana plugs. And then you have a speaker connection for the right channel, positive and negative. And this completes all the input and output connections that the SMSL AD18 amplifier has. So looking at the top of the amplifier, we are reminded that it does support NFC. You should be able to take your NFC supported phone, bring it next to the amplifier, and it should be able to connect through NFC. Okay, so that concludes my unboxing of the SMSL AD18 amplifier. So I have an Amazon link in the description if you want to learn more about this product. Hope you enjoyed the video, and till next time.